Welcome to another Revel University video tutorial. This video will cover online ordering and will show you how to manage your online ordering settings and customize the appearance. You'll also see how online orders are placed by your customers and how to retrieve those orders on your point of sale. As with all of our tutorials, you can jump ahead to any topic that is most important to you. All of our videos have a table of contents listed below, or you can use the time bar at the bottom to move to a particular section. Before we get started, it's important to note that online ordering is a paid add-on feature. If you want more information, please contact your sales associate. Additionally, Revel currently offers two versions of online ordering: our original online ordering and our latest iteration called Online Ordering XT or OOXT. This tutorial will focus on Online Ordering XT. For more information on our original online ordering, check out those links below. You can also see a quick overview of OOXT in the demo video below. So let's get started with setting up online ordering. The first step is to review your online ordering settings. Because Revel's platform is so customizable, you'll want to take a look at these to ensure they are properly set to meet your business needs. To begin, from your Management Console, navigate to the Settings tab. Click Clear Selections, then click Online Ordering Settings in the left panel. We won't cover all the settings here since these are pretty exhaustive. However, I'll highlight a few of the most important ones. Then you can review our online ordering settings article linked below for more details. Please note, if you are using Revel's Online Ordering XT to modify the appearance of your site, this will override some of the appearance options here, like the logo and color scheme. So a couple of settings to point out here. Use the Email Receipts option to email a receipt to your customer when they place an online order. For the page layout style, choose from either restaurant/quick service or retail, depending on your business. Under Date Format, enter the format you'd like displayed, and for the time format, choose either a 12-hour or a 24-hour clock. Next, in the section for order rules, you can indicate how you'll accept orders. For example, if you want customers to be able to submit orders when the store is closed, you can check that box to activate the permission. This will allow orders to be submitted, but the pickup time must be set within operational hours. If you want to set a time limit for allowing orders to be placed before you open, you can indicate the number of minutes prior to your opening time. And similarly, you can limit how close to closing time you'll accept orders as well. Setting the estimated order prep time will enable the system to take this into account when calculating the time as to whether to accept the order or not. For example, if the order is placed 5 minutes before closing, but the order prep time is set here to 10 minutes, the customer will not be able to place the order. Lots of settings in this section really allow you to customize the online ordering experience, so be sure to review each option. For additional details, remember to review the online ordering settings article linked below. Under Order Options, you can set up how loyalty and rewards customers interact in online ordering, as well as some other customizations, like which type of payments you allow, which dining options customers can select from, and more. If you offer delivery for online orders, be sure to review the Delivery Options section. Here you can set a minimum delivery amount and a maximum delivery distance, along with an estimated delivery time. And finally, you'll need to configure your business hours of operation in the Timetable section. For each day, you'll need to enter the start and end times. If you anticipate being closed for certain holidays throughout the year, you can add those in the Holidays section, which will prevent customers from being able to order on those dates. Once you've reviewed each setting under online ordering, be sure to save. One last setting to configure is how and where online ordering tickets print. In order for these tickets to get sent to the kitchen, Under Settings, clear selections and search for printer setup by dining type. Check the box on the left for that option to appear on the right. Click Configure Now, and for the online ordering print option, choose the appropriate printers and/or displays that you would like to print online orders to. Save when finished, and we'll see how this works a little later when we review online orders on the point of sale. Next, you'll need to create a custom menu, which allows you to restrict which products are available for online ordering. For example, if you sell alcohol in your restaurant but don't want customers to be able to order alcohol online, you can pick and choose exactly which items customers can order. Before you can create a custom menu, all of your products should already be in the system. If you need a refresher on this, please review our Products Overview video linked below. When you're ready to build your custom menu, from your Management Console, navigate to the Products tab. Then click Custom Menus on the left panel. Next, click Add Custom Menu and enter a name. I'll just create one called Online Ordering Menu. But if you'd like different offerings at different times of the day, you can create multiple online ordering menus for things like breakfast, lunch, and dinner menus. When you create each menu, you can indicate the time that each custom menu is available. You'll see this in just a moment. From the Application Type dropdown, choose Mode, and from the Mode dropdown, choose Online. Save when finished. After this initial step, you'll need to review the custom menu details by clicking on the pencil icon. Here you can set an available date and time range for your online menu. Just click Effective Dates and Times and check all the days and times the online menu will be available. If you want to set a date range, enter the start date and end date. So this is where you can really customize your online menu, so only breakfast items show for one time range and dinner items for another. Finally, select all categories, subcategories, and products that need to be included in this custom menu. Anything checked and highlighted in blue will be a part of the online menu during the indicated days and times. After your times are set and your products are selected, click Save. Now, when customers view your menu online, they will only see the selected items during the selected times. If you are using Revel's Online Ordering XT product, you'll have the ability to further customize the appearance of online ordering for your customers. This enhances business recognition with better marketing materials and overall has an updated look and feel compared to Revel's original online ordering platform. Customizing OOXT is done through Revel's branding tool and allows you to include your own logo images, color branding, and more. The branding tool uses skins to change the appearance of the user experience. Skins can be created not just for Online Ordering XT, but also for CDS XT, Kiosk XT, and other XT products. To begin creating a new skin, in the Management Console, navigate to the Establishment tab and choose Branding Tool from the left panel. If you do not see the Branding Tool option, please contact Revel Support to activate. You'll see a list of all the custom skins that you've already created, which can be activated as needed. Simply put, each skin is a collection of branding assets, such as a splash page, accent color, logo, etc. You can create multiple skins for your business needs. For example, you can create holiday skins, a Taco Tuesday skin, etc. Then you can activate or deactivate these as you wish. To create a new skin for Online Ordering XT, choose Add New. In the dropdown, you'll see all available skin options you can choose from, including one for Online Ordering XT. If you use Revel's Enterprise Management System and have the appropriate level of access, you can even create skins at the brand level. This will make those types of skins accessible to all establishments for a cohesive look and feel across locations. For now, I'll just choose Online Ordering XT and give the new skin a name. Select or upload the background image you would like to display for your customers. Background images will be used on all pages of your web store. When you select Choose Image, you can pick from a selection of images that have already been uploaded, or you can upload a new one. Be sure to use high-resolution images, using the indicated optimal sizes highlighted in the description for each skin type. After an image is selected, you'll be prompted to crop the image to the desired size. Use the scroll bar to zoom in and out, but note anything in the gray area will be cropped out. Choose the logo you want displayed on all pages in the top left corner of your web store. When you click on Select Logo, you can choose from images that are already uploaded or upload your own. The accent color is used for buttons and other elements on the point of sale. You can choose any color from the default palette. After you've created your custom skins, you can activate, edit, or delete them at any time in the future. To do so, on the Establishment tab, choose Branding Tool. You'll see the list of the skins you've created. To activate or delete a skin, check the box on the left next to the appropriate skin name, and then choose Activate or Delete at the top. To edit a skin, click on the skin name, which will allow you to edit your background images, logos, welcome messages, and color palette. In order for customers to access your online ordering platform, you'll need to provide them with the appropriate URL. How you handle this is up to you, but most users will have their website redirect them to Revel's online ordering system. The URL will be your subdomain name .revelup.online. Once your customers arrive at your online ordering page, any customizations you have made will appear. The store picker can detect a customer's location, or the customer can enter an address to find the nearest store. Available stores are determined by distance and dining option. Online Ordering XT makes browsing your menu easy. Scheduling delivery is intuitive, streamlined, and easy. Your customers can quickly personalize their orders with any options you choose to offer, and even add special instructions. The final price of an item will update as selections are made, including any upcharges for modifiers. The expandable cart is available at any time, so the customer can review and edit it without leaving the menu. Online Ordering XT's checkout page automatically fills in the delivery address to speed things up. A convenient delivery instructions field lets customers enter any necessary delivery information, such as a gate code or a special request. Your customer can choose to pay by credit card or to pay in cash when the order is delivered. Revel supports a variety of payment gateways and credit card processors. Customers can choose to leave a credit card tip, and the cart will instantly update with the amount of the tip. Please note, the Pay at Store option is not available for tips. To pay with a gift card for an online order, the customer will create an online order as usual. In the checkout page, they will select Gift Card under Payment Method. If the gift card option is not there, you'll need to enable it per the steps in the section above. Next, they'll click the Add New Card option under Gift Card. Then they'll enter the gift card number in the pop-up window. If the gift card number is valid, the gift card number and the balance will display under the gift card option. If the gift card number is not valid, an error message will show in a pop-up window. Once the customer has entered and selected their gift card details, they'll proceed with the checkout process as normal. Now let's see how you can process orders that are submitted online. When an order is placed, it will send the information directly to the Revel point of sale. This will appear on the main point of sale screen as a notification on the Orders button. Online orders are usually configured to appear on just one point of sale to avoid confusion. To change the POS station, please review our article on the Stations tab linked below. To access any of the online orders, tap on the Orders button and then select Web Orders. It will display a list of online orders that are currently active. To pull up any of the online orders, tap on the order to highlight it. The order will then populate on the order screen with the customer's name, pickup time if applicable, and phone number. Remember, these fields are being pulled from the information that the customer entered during checkout. Depending on the method of payment, the order may appear as having a zero balance due or an outstanding amount. If the balance due is zero, you can hit Pay and then Done to close out the order. If the order has a balance, take the payment and then tap Done to complete the transaction. Once done, you may hand the client the order. And that's how online ordering works in Revel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and were able to follow along to complete the necessary steps. If you have any additional questions, please visit the related knowledge base articles or video tutorials linked below. Thanks for watching another Revel University video tutorial.